So Xiaomi just rolled out with another budget-friendly yet powerful cleaning gadget, answering to some big brands like Dyson, Mijia Cordless vacuum cleaner. This product is not like the Xiaomi or V11 cordless vacuum cleaner that you can find on Xiaomi's affiliate website Xiaomi Youpin. This one is branded with Mijia directly. That means it will have a higher quality control and a better price than other similar ones I referred before. Currently, the product is not officially released and available for pre-order, but some of our partners like 金剪刀开箱 and ifanr, which I will leave links in the description, please make sure to check them out. I've got the product and did a review about it. So let's take a first look. In the box, you will find a charger. Of course, if you order from third-party platforms like eBay, we'll add another adapter that suits your country, a crevice tool, a soft dusting brush, a roller cleaner head for the floor, and a mattress head for your bed or sofa to clean dust or mites, a tube, and a sticker that enables you to attach the cleaner to the wall. No need to drill holes in your house. Move to the motor head. There's a Mijia logo on the top. You can also see Max on the handle here. To use it, it's very simple, just keep pressing the switch here when you are cleaning, loosen it to stop. There also is a power port here to charge the device. The whole design is minimalistic and elegant, not too heavy to hold too. The Mijia Cordless vacuum cleaner adopts a suction power of 108 watts, 100,000 RPM motor. Let's test the results.
음. 如果我们想吸这个边边角角啊，我们就必须换一个头，是吧？我们把它拿掉，这个头我们就不用了，我们就换成这个头啊，这样手持着就可以把我们那些边边角角全都吸掉了。边边角角是脏东西，是吧？这些缝里边。 我们就换成这一头，是吧？我们去清理我们的榻榻米，是吧？还有我们的被褥。
From the test, we know that first, it's actually very quiet while in use. Secondly, as long as the debris is not too big, it cleans pretty well. Third, it can clear the dust and debris from the bin quite easily. One button to empty it, and it has advanced multi-cyclonic filtration system to give you clean air, so you don't have to worry about the secondary air pollution. You can even water wash it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Once we got the product, we'll do a full review about it. If you do have any questions about it, please leave a comment below. I'm Sami. See you next time.